Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mix sanding seal or wood seal, which we normally use on our furniture before you apply varnish or spraying any type of color or stain. So you just stick around and I'm going to show you each and everything, and you leave this video when you know each and everything what we always use to apply on articles. Stay around. Thank you very much. This is now thinner. This one which we use on, or which the one which we use for diluting wood seal. You have several types of companies which manufacture this, but today we have used this one. It's called GSM. Then there's another one which is called Kirin, but you will see it in the future there. Then the next, it is this seal. So this now sanding seal. It's the one which we are going to mix and we apply on our furniture. So you just stay around and learn each and everything. So you think you can see how the tin looks like. This 1 liter. This 1 liter you mix in 4 liters of. So what you do, you get the container like that one, you pour there, then you pour there the thinner plus the sanding seal the way we are pouring. After that, then you start mixing. You mix it thoroughly so that it comes dilute. And this type we are going to use just a hand to apply on articles. But if it is spraying, then you have to double so that it can be very diluted and you spread properly. But if it is thick, then it will remain in the gun. So we just stick around and share this video with the family and friends so that they can also learn something. Don't leave them behind and stay around so that we can learn together. So you remove each and everything from that tin and you pour in a bigger container like that one. And then you start mixing. This is thinner. You have to pour in a tin so that it can clean which is remaining there. So that it comes out easily. And you pour in a container and continue mixing until it becomes loose. Please subscribe on this channel if you are new, and if you are my returning subscriber, welcome back. Stay around and we learn. So after pouring in some thinner, then you shake so that it can remove the remaining sanding seal which is stuck there. Then you pour in a container. You have to shake it properly. Then you pour in a container. You continue mixing. You mix as you add slowly by slowly thinner up to the end. Yes, you mix. It looks like that when it is not mixed thoroughly. You stir properly. You stir it like that. And that's another type of thinner, standard thinner. You have to use what we call standard thinner. Standard thinner is good for mixing or diluting the wood seal or sand seal. So now this is how it looks like after mixing, or after stirring it, after mixing. So now what you do, you can get a container like the jerrycans we used, then you pour in to keep it safe so that you can use anytime you want. So I think you have learned something. You're now going to do what I have taught you. I think you can see this is already mixed sanding seal, which is in a jerrycan after mixing. Now we have poured in a jerrycan. That is it. You have poured in a jerrycan for storage. So thank you very much for watching, and I will think. So after sanding it properly like this, then you get your mixed sanding seal, and you apply by hand or using a spray gun or any cotton waste or wool. So after mixing, then you get a small container like this one and a brush. Then you apply it on your article. You can even use cotton waste or any cloth which is made out of cotton. Then you start applying. But now I'm using a brush. A brush can also work very well. But every coat you apply, you have to sand. You apply 3 coats on this. After that, then you can spray or you can varnish your article. So thank you for watching, and please share this video with family and friends. I'm in a village where you can hear the cocks